Hey, everybody, all my friends, relatives, cousins, all of you. I'm so happy to be back today. And I wanted to share with you a little bit about time, money, and knowledge. Now, I don't want you to leave this video because that'll be the first thing you do wrong is leave too soon because you don't have the time and you don't want the knowledge. But I'm also going to share with you my Robinhood app because a lot of people have talked to me and said, cousin, Leon, I've got the Robinhood app. I want to start trading. I want to start investing. But when I look at it, I don't know what to do. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about that. So stay with me. But the key thing is we want to shorten your time so that you're not working so hard. The key thing about investing is to get the knowledge so you know what you are looking at and you can develop strategies to help you achieve that. Now, my disclaimer is I'm not a financial advisor. So whatever we talk about on this video, I'm not trying to encourage you to buy any stocks, get any investment platform. I'm just trying to share knowledge with you guys because I went 30 years my first 30 years of life, or maybe a little bit longer than that, without having the knowledge. I wanted to know how you could make money without working so hard. Now, as most of you know, I do real estate also, and I do, of course, the stocks. Now, stocks and real estate has not made me a millionaire yet, but it's me, and I'm still shooting for that. But it's made me a nice thousandaire. A thousandaire means still that you can get up when you want, you can work when you want. If there's not a lot of stuff for you to do, you can ride your bike. You can figure out whether or not the world is back in order again and you can take a trip. So having some money that you don't have to be like a hamster on a wheel is very important. So you're not just running back and forth. And I know so many people that are running back and forth and they look the next week, the next month, the next year. And with inflation the way it's going, they have actually less money in their pocket than they had before, if they had any money at all. So without further ado, let's go to my Robinhood app. I'm going to share this with you and see if we can kind of take a look at what is going on with this particular app. Okay, here I am. I'm going to Robinhood. I'm going to type in my passcode. As you can see with my Robinhood account, I don't keep a lot of money in there. I keep some and I add some. You see the buying power right now is only 75 bucks. If I wanted to add another $100, another $500, another $1,000 to this account to buy more stocks or crypto, I could. But I use this Robinhood account as a way to look at certain stocks or cryptocurrencies. And some stocks or cryptocurrencies I'm holding for the long haul. I'm not using this account to trade every day. So there's a little difference between trading and investing. This is more of an investment account, and I'm just holding certain stocks and holding certain cryptos. I have other accounts like Webull and TD Ameritrade that I use for trading every day and to try to make money that day or that week. So, but for those of you just starting out, Robinhood is a good app to have. So as I'm scrolling down, you can see some of the cryptocurrencies that I have. Bitcoin, little Dogecoin, Ethereum, and so forth. Then it shows some of the stocks that I have in this particular account. HL, HUST, AMC, so forth. So now let's just go to one of the stocks. I've been talking a lot about, of course, over the last year, you heard a lot about AMC. So let me just click into AMC, and there we have it. By clicking there, you can see that AMC is currently trading at $9.14. And you can see this chart right in front of you. But a lot of people say, Leon, I don't know what I'm looking at. Cousin, tell me, what is this? Well, you can see the little 1D in orange down there, right here. You can see that 1D. Well, that 1D means 1 day. So that's showing you that this is 1 day of AMC. So the whole screen, all of those candles, all of these candles right here, totals 1 day. But the key to looking at this is you put your finger on your screen and you can roll it back and forth. And you can see that each candle is going to be up here. Watch, we're about right up in this area. Each candle, as you can see, is only 10 minutes of activity. So that's what you're looking at. You're looking at the whole day, but each candle will change every 10 minutes. So those of you that do not want to or have the time, we're back to the time. You now have the knowledge. You're getting the knowledge as to what you're looking at. But those of you that do not have the time to look at this every 10 minutes and see how these candles are forming, you want to go away from that. Now, I recommend starting right here at the 5Y. Now, you can guess what that means. That means 5 years. So let me click there. Look how the candles change. So that is 5 years on this whole screen. But each candle, now I'm going to start pointing here. Each candle is 1 month of activity. So when you go from this to this to this, each push down, you can see October 15 through November 12th. So each candle now is just 1 month of activity. So you can see what happened that month of May 28th to June 25th. It shot up right there. Before that, it had been doing nothing. Now we're over here and we're looking forward to it. Hopefully, we don't know when, but it's shooting back up again. So this is 1 month of activity. So if you put your cursor right here on the 5Y, you know that you're looking at 5 years of activity and each candle represents 1 month. Now let's go to the 1Y, which you guessed it, means 1 year. So now when I click there, I'm looking at 1 year of activity on the whole screen. This is 1 whole year. And now, but each candle, I'm sorry, you guys, each candle will represent, let's see, each candle represents 1 week. Do you see that? That's 1 week of activity. January 5th, January 12th to the 20th, and so forth. So now when you're looking at these candles and you have it at the 1Y, you know that each candle represents 1 week of activity. Now let's go one more down to there. That is 3 months, 3M. That is showing you that this is 3 total months of activity. But again, when we put our finger on our screen, see, I have my phone in my hand. When I put my finger on the screen and scroll from left to right, right to left, it's showing me July 15th, July 16th, 17th, 18th, and so forth. I'm sorry about these notifications coming on my phone while I'm trying to do a video, but okay. So that is what's going on with AMC or any stock you look at. You put your finger on your phone and you can scroll down, you can scroll onto it to see what is happening that particular day within a 3-month period, within a 1-year period, and so forth. So that is showing you, at least now, I'm not going to share with you on this video about strategy, on how to determine and get the knowledge that once you know, since now you know what you're looking at, when to buy. On another video, I will go down here to trade, to the trade section, and I will show you how to buy the stocks, what kind of alerts to put in, what type of orders to put in, how many shares you can buy. Of course, the number of shares is up to you. You can start with just 1 share. You know right now that 1 share of AMC is $9.14. This is over the weekend. I'm doing this video. It will change during the week. The markets are closed right now, but the market's open for us in the Midwest from 8:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. So come Monday, I'm going to look at this and see where it stands. But right now, you know that you could buy 1 share of AMC for $9.14. That in itself can start your investing career. And you know how to watch it now to see where it goes. So I want to thank you all for watching this video. I didn't want to make it too long. I'm going to try to put a link in the description box on how you can, if you don't have Robinhood, you can I'll link you to my Robinhood so that you can get a Robinhood account. But that way you can have some shares to look at. You can put $1 into the account to open it, and you have an account, and then you can start playing with it. And as you gain the knowledge, you will have more time to make more money. So thank you all for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you do to let people know, because they do not teach this in school. You have to have the discipline to learn this on your own. So thanks again, and I will talk to all of you soon.